My name is Alice and I am an ambassador for Flexiseq CBD oil. And we will start now with very simple movements to ground ourselves into this moment and to connect with our body, with our breath, with our mind, with our soul and heart. So we will start in a very comfortable seated position. For this class, you don't need anything apart from yourself, maybe a yoga mat and maybe a pillow if you want to be a little bit more comfortable in your seated pose. We will start by lengthening the spine. So keep your spine erect, nice and long. Keep your shoulders relaxed, fully relaxed. Ooh. There's a drone, I'm in a jungle now. I am in Costa Rica, guys, so you will hear probably monkeys and weird sounds coming from this marvelous place. So I hope that this will help you also to calm down and to feel more relaxed. So as I said, spine straight, shoulders relaxed. We begin to close our eyes. And we start to take a few deep breaths through the nose. We will take 10 long breaths together. Inhale deeply. Exhale through the nose. Slowly relax the body, relax the mind. Inhale for 2. Exhale the breath. Inhale for 4. Filling up our lungs, our chest, our tummy with new energy. And slowly exhale to surrender within this present moment and to let go all the negative energy. Inhale for 5. Exhale the breath. Inhale for 6. Slowly exhale the breath. Inhale for 7. Exhale slowly. Inhale for 8. Deep and long breaths to the top of your lungs. And slowly exhale, feel how the energy lowers and makes you feel more grounded. Inhale for 9. Exhale the breath. Last one, inhale for 10. Exhale the breath. Let's bring now our hands in prayer in front of our heart space. And we will begin our practice with some more movements, with some more asana, the physical practice of yoga. And we will begin this practice by chanting the Om mantra together one time. The Om mantra is a universal sound, and I invite you now, my friends, to really connect with the vibration that you can feel growing and expanding within you while you chant this beautiful mantra. Let's inhale together and begin to chant. Inhale. Find a big smile on your face and start to gently open your eyes in front of you. Inhale, lift the arms high towards the sky, extend your spine and keep extending your arms. Exhale, draw this new energy into your heart space, drawing the arms down. 2 more. Inhale, sending the arms high. Exhale, slowly down. Keep focusing on your breath. Last time. Inhale, sending the arms high. And exhale down. Dropping our hands back on the knees, we're gonna keep focusing on our breathing, and we will try and connect our breaths with these gentle movements that will really help us to relax, to calm down, and to make us feel more present here and now. The power of the present moment, the power of now. Keep the spine erect and start to rotate the neck clockwise. We're going to inhale to send the gaze high, stretching the throat, stretching the sides of the neck, and exhale, lowering the neck, lowering the head down. Let's do it 4 more times towards this side. Inhale high, exhale low. Be really gentle with these movements. We really want to connect with this part of the body. We want to allow it to relax. We want to create space within and around us. 2 more. Notice how the breath accompanies the movement. Once more. And then towards the opposite side, anti-clockwise, 5 times. Nice and relaxed. 3 more times. Beautiful. 2 more. Again, remember, you can be a little slower than myself or a little faster depending on how your neck feels right now. And then slowly we will come back to center. Well done, guys. Second exercise, we will move the shoulders now. Inhale, start to send the shoulders forward and high. Exhale, push them back and down. 3 more. Inhale, high. Exhale, back and down. Inhale. Squeeze the shoulders high towards the ears and exhale, back and down. Last one. Deep inhale and exhale the breath. Now opposite direction, again 4 times. Inhale, send the shoulders back and high. Exhale, push them forward and down. 3 more. Try and focus on isolating the movements of your shoulders. So keeping the spine erect and keeping the neck and head relaxed. Keep focusing on your breath. Remember, your breath is the one that will help you go deeper into the pose and into the state of relaxation. Last time. And exhale the breath. Very good. Now we're gonna flip our legs. So we're gonna swap side and keep the legs crossed. If this is too much, you can also do the whole exercise sat on the chair. So whatever feels comfortable for you guys, please go and take your most comfortable position. The only thing I request from you is to keep the spine erect so that the energy will draw high towards the sky. Okay, now from here, we're going to place our hands in prayer in front of us, arms nice and straight. We're going to inhale to open the arms to the side. Try and bring your shoulder blades to meet each other and open the chest. Look high towards the sky. Exhale, bring the arms forward, curve your spine and drop your head down the ground. Again, we're going to do it a few more times. Inhale to open up. Exhale to go down. 3 more. I'll move to the side so you can see the movement of my spine a little more. Inhale to open up. Exhale forward. 2 more. Inhale, open up the chest, send the shoulders back. Exhale, arms forward in prayer. Drop your head, feel it heavy. Again, inhale to rise. 2 more. Inhale, open up the chest, send the shoulders back. Exhale, arms forward in prayer. Drop your head, feel it heavy. Again, inhale to rise. 2 more. Inhale, open up the chest, send the shoulders back. Exhale, arms forward in prayer. Drop your head, feel it heavy. And exhale to lower. Inhale, sending the arms high, extend the spine, extend the arms. And exhale, draw your hands all the way down along the body. Well done. So we've got 2 more exercises that we will do together. I would advise you now to remove the pillow, but if you have pain on your knees when you come into your seated position, you can also place the pillow or a blanket under your knees so that you're nice and comfortable. Spread the fingers of your hands nice and wide, press the palms of your hands down the ground, and make sure that your hands are in line with your shoulders. Same thing with your knees in line with your hips. I will remove this, but keep it if you need it. We're going to go into 5 cat-cows. So again, we're working a little bit more on the spine, and this will really give you beautiful sensations and good benefits, mainly if you are used to sit on a chair for a long time and maybe working in front of the computer. So this will really help you to elongate and relax the spine and the space in between the vertebrae. So coming into our seated tabletop, inhale, we start to arch the spine, drop the tummy, lift your tailbone and start to raise your head, sending the gaze high. Notice the sensation of openness through your chest area. Exhale, push the floor away from you, squeeze the tummy in towards the navel and look in between your legs or towards your tummy. 5 of them. Inhale, we arch the spine, we open the chest, we raise our gaze. And exhale, sending everything down, curving the spine. We want to really push the floor away and create space between the shoulder blades here. Inhale, rising up. Exhale, down. Inhale, rising up, arch the spine. Exhale, down. Keep following your breath. That's the most important part. 2 more. Inhale, we arch, open the chest. Exhale, down. Inhale, last one, coming high. And exhale, down. Coming back to a neutral spine. Well done. Dropping one hip down and coming now to seated position once again, keeping the legs nice and straight in front of us. We will come in a Paschimottanasana, so a seated fold. Grab your thighs and just create some space for your hip bones to really feel grounded and connected with the ground. Keep your legs straight, flex your feet if you can. Keep the spine straight. Take a deep inhale, send the arms high towards the sky. And when you exhale, allow the spine to be long and draw your hands forward. You can grab your feet, or if this is too much, you can grab your ankles, you can grab your shin, you can also grab your knees. Try and elongate the spine and send the chest as far as you can from your hips. So really working on the flexion of your hip joints to come into your seated fold. If you grab your feet, you might also want to hug your big toes. We're going to take 5 deep breaths here. When you exhale, you let it go and you abandon yourself into this pose. Stay where it feels good. Try not to force the pose, but allow the breath to be the anchor and to be the guide into this asana, into this yoga pose. Start feeling how the back of your legs lengthen, your calf muscles, your hamstrings. Start to feel this gentle release of your lower back. How good this feels for the body. 3 more breaths, deep and long breaths. Two. And as I said, it's okay. Maybe you are here, maybe you are here, maybe you are here. That's fine. Let's keep breathing. Let's take one last deep inhale. Exhale to soften. Beautiful, my friends. Walk your hands to slowly rise all the way back up. We're going to lie down on our spine now for the last pose. So allow your spine to come all the way down. We're going to keep our knees bent and we're going to open the arms to the side. We're just going to create some more movement around our legs. So start to drop gently the legs down to one side and then to the other side. Inhale, send the legs high. Exhale, down the other side. And we keep doing these gentle movements to massage our hips, to massage the glutes, to massage the lower back, really being gentle, relaxed, at ease, and in connection with our beautiful body temple. We stop at center. Make sure that you have the spine connected to the ground. Bring one leg high and start to rotate your ankle towards one direction. Gentle breaths through the nose and towards the other side. Inhale to extend the right leg and exhale to slowly drop it back down. Left leg, we lift and we start to rotate our ankle towards one direction. And all the way towards the other side. Inhale, extend the left leg high and exhale, slowly release. Well done, guys, we're done. We can now come into Shavasana, so allow your legs to fully drop down the ground. If you have a pillow nearby, you can also make yourself a little bit more comfortable. Maybe you place the pillow under your legs, under your lower back, whatever feels good for you. Just make sure to find a comfortable position on the ground, allowing your whole body to rest. Close your eyes and keep observing your breath. Keep observing the space in between the inhalations and the exhalations you take. A calm body, relaxed body, a quiet mind. Relax.